Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool outdoor poly Adirondack chair. The great part about this is the fact that it does not require any tools, doesn't require any screws. It only comes with a handful of pieces and it just takes just a couple of minutes to snap together, and then this thing is ready to go. So basically what we're going to do is just going to take our armrest pieces here and we're going to get our back piece here, and it is simply going to snap in here where it's got the preordained areas to get this part put in. And then these bottom parts are going to snap in down here. And what we're going to do is go ahead and put all this together, and then I'm going to take it outside and kind of show you some of the beauty of this outdoors. All snap together really easy. Again, just have to put a little bit of pressure on it and snaps those pieces directly into place. This is feeling really solid. I've got these last arm pieces that are just going to slide down these tracks. This side does have the cup holder on that side there, so we're going to slide him on, and then we're going to get this one slid on this side here, and then we'll take it outside and show you how this looks outside. So I've got this out here. This is a lovely blue color. It does, of course, come in several variety of colors. Loving the fact this is completely waterproof. Everything snapped together, no tools or anything. Very comfortable, very nice seating. Wide arms. I'm liking the fact that this has got this faux texture on here. It makes it look like real wood. They have some attention to detail as far as putting rounded corners on this, so you're not going to catch your legs or anything walking by it, which I really like. Cup holder is a nice addition. This would work great either by a swimming pool, by a lake, just out in your yard, or by a fire pit. They've thought of a lot of details and should work pretty well in any setting.